1. 1966 Buick Wildcat, $1,000, South Phoenix. This 1966 Buick Wildcat is a classic sedan waiting for someone with a vision for restoration or a need for parts. The odometer reads 100,000 miles, but it's currently broken, so the true mileage is unknown. The car hasn't been driven since the tags expired in 2005, meaning it's been sitting for nearly 2 decades. The Wildcat features an automatic transmission and a clean title. Its brown paint has likely weathered over time, but for $1,000, this is an affordable entry into vintage car ownership. Whether you're restoring or salvaging, this Buick offers a great starting point potential. A 1973 Ford Torino. Equipped with a 351 Cleveland motor and automatic transmission, it runs and moves, but it's in need of a full restoration. Given its age, the actual mileage is unknown, though the odometer shows 34,000 miles. The car is sold with a clean Arizona title, but you'll need to trailer or tow it home. With its sleek lines and vintage appeal, this Torino could be a showstopper once brought back to life. Priced at $2,000, it's an enticing project car for muscle car enthusiasts. Three, 1979 AMC Concord Wagon, $3,000. For wagon lovers, this 1979 AMC Concord Wagon offers classic style and practicality. With just over 100,000 miles, this 2-owner vehicle has been garaged and well cared for throughout its life. The seller has all the paperwork to verify its history, and they assure potential buyers that it's not a rust bucket. Everything reportedly works as it should, making this a rare find among vintage wagons. The seller is open to trades and even accepts cryptocurrency, and delivery is available. At $3,000, it's a versatile classic for someone who wants a unique and functional car. This 1976 Pontiac Trans Am is a project car with plenty of potential for those who love classic muscle cars. Originally equipped with a 455 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, it's now missing both. The car has been sitting for many years, so it will need significant work to restore it to its former glory. The exterior is gray with a red interior, and the mileage is noted as exceeding the mechanical limits on the title. At $20,900 plus tax and fees, this Trans Am is a budget-friendly start for a restoration project that could result in a high-value collector's item. Sure 5. 1971 Cadillac El Dorado Convertible, $2,000. Dreaming of owning a classic convertible? This 1971 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible could be the project for you. The seller is parting with it reluctantly, calling it a historic masterpiece that deserves to be brought back to life. The car has an automatic transmission and a clean title, with an odometer reading of 75,000 miles. While it's not road ready, it's priced at $2,000 or best offer, making it a solid investment for someone willing to put in the time and effort to restore it. This 1979 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe 10 pickup is a rugged project vehicle with a lot of potential. It's a long bed 4x4 equipped with an 8-cylinder engine, 4-barrel carburetor, and automatic transmission. Unfortunately, the transmission is bad, and the truck has significant rust. Despite these issues, the truck has a clean title and could be a great option for someone looking for a challenging restoration project. The price is $1,900 plus tax and fees, making it an affordable entry point into classic truck ownership. Saw 7. 1978 American Motors Concord, $1,900. Here's another project car from American Motors, a 1978 Concord Coupe. This blue-on-blue car is equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. It's been sitting for many years and doesn't currently run, so it will need a complete restoration. The mileage is exempt on the title, but the seller notes that the car is being sold as is. At $1,900 plus tax and fees, it's an inexpensive starting point for AMC enthusiasts or anyone looking for a unique classic. 8. 1978 Dodge W150, $1,900 York. This 1978 Dodge W150 stepside pickup is a classic 4x4 ready for restoration. It features a 318 V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, and power brakes. The truck is red with a black interior and is sold as is. Although it has been sitting for years and doesn't currently run, the frame and body provide a solid foundation for a rebuild. At $1,900 plus tax and fees, it's a great choice for someone wanting to restore a vintage Dodge truck. Nine, 1974 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40, $2,500 set. For off-road enthusiasts, this 1974 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 offers a rugged classic with immense potential. It features its original F15 3.9L engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. The drivetrain is in working condition and the engine starts and runs. While the frame is solid, the tub and body have significant rust issues. The car also includes a winch bumper and good tires. With a clean Virginia title, this Land Cruiser is a great project at $2,500, perfect for someone looking to restore a legendary off-roader. $1975 Pontiac Formula, $5,900, York. This 1975 Pontiac Formula Coupe is a rare find for muscle car fans. Powered by a 400 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, it also features an automatic transmission, power steering, and power brakes. The red exterior is paired with a black interior, complete with bucket seats. Although it's been sitting for many years, the car is being sold as is for $5,900 plus tax and fees. If you're looking for a high-impact restoration project, this Pontiac Formula has all the makings of a standout classic. $11, 1969 Nova SS, $5,500. This 1969 Nova SS is a restoration project with a lot to offer. Currently equipped with a 402 big block engine, the car was originally a 4-speed manual and the clutch pedals are still present. It also has factory disc brakes, a big block heater core, and most of its original trim. The body does have rust in the usual spots, including the rear quarter panels and rocker panels. However, the floor pans are in decent condition and the trunk is solid. The glass is intact except for the rear window, which was damaged by a fallen tree limb years ago. Priced at $5,500, this Nova SS is a worthy investment for muscle car fans.